Hey Terraformers, it's Andrew Brown, and this video is just to show a correction to make it easier working with Git Graph. I have a future video in this bootcamp near the end of week 1 where we have a more thorough video on it. But just for those who are struggling earlier in week 0, I'm just repeating it here very quickly. So in Gitpod, the issue that we're having, and it's not going to be reflective here because I'm over here in, well, actually I'm opening up main, so it's totally fine. But I'm just going to open this up here and just show you the quick solution that you can do, and then you can implement the permanent one later in the bootcamp because we have a more complete video then. But the issue that folks are having is that when they go over to source code, the Git Graph button doesn't always appear here. Now it is appearing now, right? But sometimes it just does not appear for whatever reason. And they're using Gitpod. So if you're on your local machine, you might not have the same extensions installed. And we don't show you how to install those things because we don't recommend that you use your local developer environment for this flow, and you need to figure out yourself. But what we did is we made sure by typing Git Graph here that we had this one installed. So this one comes installed by default from Gitpod, but for whatever reason, it doesn't always load. But there's this one here, and it works really, really, really well. And you're going to see in week 2, we're going to just continue to use this one because it's a lot better. But what you can do is you can go ahead and just install this. And another thing I want to point out is that when you do have these installed, down below you'll have this Git Graph button and Git Log button. So Git Log opens the old one, Git Graph opens this one. And the reason we have 2 install is that if one fails, at least you have the other one, and this new one's a lot better. But yeah, that's the quick video here. But again, I'm going to release the newer video earlier. So if you want to watch the longer one, you want to do it earlier, you totally can. Or you can just wait when we're in week 1 and just do it then, okay? But yeah, we'll see you in the next one. Ciao.